working. So it's not working. Okay, it seems apparent that the system is not working. Then take your seats that we can begin. Take your seats and we can begin.
Just to maintain order, direct that you read this, that everybody should be maintain order.
Order, honorable members. Order. Honorable Mbui. Honorable members. Honorable members, I wish to bring to your attention order number 76, standing order number 76. During division, members shall maintain order in the House and shall be in their designated seats and must remain seated until the result is announced. So, honorable members, let us obey our own standing orders. It's okay. Everybody can stay seated. The two clerks. Yes, Honorable Wanami. No, don't argue. Honorable member, don't argue. Just say you're already standing there. Yes. Not everything has to be aggravated. Okay, two people from this side. Honorable Pukose. Honorable Doya, take your seat. Okay. Honorable Wanjala, you're out of order. I just read standing order 76, that you must maintain order and be seated during division. If not, you'll be out of order and may have to leave the chamber. Take your seats. Honorable Owino, take your seat. Member for Karachu on your seat. Oh, Mumias, I can't see him.